Let us solve this quadratic equation by using middle term splitting technique. To use the middle term splitting technique, we need to make the quadratic equation the format ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. We need to bring this into the general form. So we can start simplifying. First, let us take all the variables to the left hand side so that we will be dealing with them separately and we can deal with the number 4 at last. So x plus 1 divided by x minus 1 plus x minus 2 by x plus 2, and we are taking the minus 2x plus 3 divided by x minus 2 from the right hand side to left hand side. So the minus becomes plus 2x plus 3 divided by x minus 2 equal to 4. Now there are 3 terms in the left hand side. In order for us to be able to add them, the denominators must be same. So we need to multiply the LCM of all the denominators, x minus 1 into x minus 2 into x plus 2. In order to make the denominator same, to the first term x plus 1 by x minus 1, we need to multiply x plus 2 and x minus 2, and we should also multiply and we should also divide, because basically we are multiplying this term with 1 into any number is the same number, but instead of cancelling them out, if we multiply them, then the denominator for the first term, second term and third term can be the same. We will do the same for all of them. So x minus 2 by x plus 2 into x minus 1 is missing and x minus 2 is missing from the denominator. X minus 1 into x minus 2. For the last term, 2x plus 3 divided by x minus 2, we should multiply the other two denominators, x minus 1 and x plus 2. X minus 1, x plus 2. X minus 1, x plus 2 equal to 4. Now the denominators for all the three terms are same. So we can write one common denominator and we can start simplifying the numerator. X plus 2 into x minus 1 into x minus 2. Now the numerator part for the first term. First, let us multiply only x plus 2 and x minus 2. So let us keep x plus 1 here itself. X plus 1 into x square. X plus 2 into x minus 2, that is of the form a plus b into a minus b. So we know the formula for that, x square minus 2 square. 2 square is 4. X square minus 4. Now next term, let's keep x minus 2. There is 2x minus 2 in this case. X minus 2 into x minus 2 into x minus 1. So what we can do is x minus 1 here, and we can take x minus 2 whole square. We know the formula for x minus 2 whole square will be x square minus 4x plus 4. Now the third term. In third term, there is no formula we can use, so we can just keep 2x plus 3 here and we will just multiply these two regularly. So x square minus x plus 2x minus x plus 2x will be plus x. So plus x and then minus 1 into plus 2, that's minus 2, equal to 4. Now let us completely expand the numerator part. X into x square, that is x cube. X into minus 4, that's minus 4x. 1 into x square is x square minus 4. That is the first term. Next, x minus 1 into x square minus 4x plus 4 first. Let's multiply this with x only. So x into x square, x cube, x into minus 4x, minus 4x square, x into plus 4 plus 4x. Then let's multiply with minus 1 now. So minus x square, minus into minus, plus 4x and minus 4. Now the third term, there's no space here, so I will just write the third term here. 2x into x square, that is 2x cube, plus 2x square minus 2 2s of 4x plus 3x square plus 3x minus 3 2s are 6. Denominator, we have x minus 1 outside. Let's keep it outside. X minus 1 into, and then we have again x plus 2 into x minus 2. So we can write that as x square minus 4. This is equal to 4. Now let us start simplifying the numerator part. First, let us group the x cube terms. X cube, 2x cube, and all of them are plus. All of them are positive. So 1 plus 1 plus 2, that is 4. 4x cube. Now the x terms. Minus 4. Sorry. First we should do the x square terms. Let's do in that sequence. So x square, we have x square minus 4x square. X square minus 4 is minus 3x square. We have one more minus x square. So minus 4x square plus 2. So minus 4 plus 2 is minus 2x square plus 3. That's plus x square. So the total sum is plus x square. Now the x terms. Minus 4 plus 4. So that is 0. Then we have plus 4. Then we have minus 4. That is also 0. Then we have a plus 3. That's it. Plus 3x. Now the constant terms. Minus 4, minus 4. So minus 4 plus minus 4 is minus 8. And then we have minus 6. So minus 14. Now denominator, x square into x, that's x cube. Then x into minus 4, that's minus 4x. And then minus 1 into x square, that's minus x square. Minus x square minus 4x. And then we have minus 4 into minus 1, that's plus 4, equal to 4. Now let us take the denominator to the right hand side. So 4x cube plus x square plus 3x minus 14 is equal to 4 into x cube minus x square minus 4x plus 4. So 4x cube plus x square plus 3x minus 14 is equal to 4x cube minus 4x square minus 4 4s are 16x plus 4 4s are 16. 4x cube will be 0. So the x cube term becomes 0 and this is a quadratic equation. Now let us take all the terms to the left hand side. So minus 4x square will become plus 4x square. 4x square plus x square. Then minus 16x becomes plus 16x. Then we have a 3x. Then 16 becomes minus 16 and we already have a minus 14. 4 plus 1, 5. So 5x square, 16 plus 3x. 16 plus 3, that's 19. So plus 19x. Then minus 16 minus 14 is minus 30. So this is the quadratic equation that we are supposed to solve. 5x square plus 19x minus 30. Now we can use the middle term splitting technique that we have simplified this big complicated equation into a simple general form of quadratic equation. Now we need to split minus 19 into two numbers such that the product of those two numbers is equal to product of coefficient of x square and the constant. In this case that is 150. So let's figure out, sorry, it's plus 19x and then minus 30. So we are splitting plus 19 and the product is 5 into minus 30, that should be minus 150. All right. Now the product of two numbers is a negative numbers, which means one of them is positive, one of them is negative. Only then we get a product of minus. But the sum of those two numbers is plus 19, which means the positive number is the bigger number. That is all the information that we have right now. Let's prime factorize 150 to have a better idea. So that will be 2 into 3 into 5 square. Now how else can we mix and match these numbers to get a sum of 19? So 3 times 2 is 6, 5 square is 25, 25 minus 6 is 19. So that is the numbers plus 25 and minus 6. That is how we are supposed to split the middle term. 5x square plus 19 is split as plus 25x and minus 6x minus 30 equal to 0. In the first two terms, we can take 5x outside. So 5x into x plus 5. The next two terms, we can take minus 6 outside. So minus 6 into x plus 5 equal to 0. Now we can take x plus 5 common, x plus 5 into 5x minus 6 equal to 0. This is true when either x plus 5 is equal to 0 or when 5x minus 6 is equal to 0. And in this case, x plus 5 equal to 0 means x must be equal to minus 5, and in this case 5x must be equal to plus 6 and x must be equal to 6 by 5. Solution for this question is minus 5 and 6 by 5. If you have any doubts in this question, feel free to discuss in the comment section below. Thank you.